Let's talk about the web version of Money Robot. With this version, you don't need a VPS or to leave your computer on. The web version allows you to turn off your computer while it continues running 24/7. That is beautiful. You can create your SEO campaign using two features. Using this one, that's the working with the AI directly. What is fully automated, which is especially helpful if you are new with Money Robot or prefer that the AI handles the heavy work for you. In here, you click here, then let's talk about Tulum Airport, Tulum transfer. Okay, and in here, let's go and use this one. That's the only thing you need to use or to create or to add to create your SEO campaign. Just click here and everything is gonna be automatically created. It will be your first campaign, your website traffic campaign, and your social media campaign. Everything will be created for you in just one click. That's been when you use the AI. Let's talk about the SEO campaigns. In here you will see all the campaigns you are working with, create by here or create by here. With this manual campaign is giving you more control. This is ideal if you know how to use Money Robot or you also have time to work with Money Robot. You will create it, click on here. Let's put Tulum Airport 2. But let me show you something. We're talking about Aeropuerto Tulum Traslado Aeropuerto Tulum. What I did is because I'm going to show you something. In here you can choose your own SEO diagram. It will be more in the future, don't worry about it. They are working on that. In here, before you create the article, you can click on here and choose which one you want to use. This is beautiful, wonderful. You don't need to restore like with a desktop. Let's go and choose the Spanish one because that's what I did here. And the AI is going to build the article for you. The same way with the other section too. You see, automatically it's done in Spanish. Also in this area, you have to, for image, to add image to your article, your videos, and also your Google Map. In here, we can create a new account or use a system one. After that, you just go ahead and start your campaign. The difference between this one, create for you manually or by you manually, or the one from AI, this one doesn't create anything for you. It's not going to be on the website traffic, it's not going to be on the social media. You can also, if you don't want to send traffic yet to your website and you are using the AI section, don't worry, you just go here, click and remove. That's it. That's all you need to do. In here, you control all your campaign, manually or the AI. Now, let's talk about this area. Oh, in here, video views is the same thing. You add your video, and and it's gonna be automatic, up to 50 videos. On here, you can check your on-page URL. Just clicking, adding the video or the website. It's not just for website, also can be for video. And a target keyword. Book, check on here. I'm gonna do a whole video just for this because this is really powerful, especially if you want to double check or if you are really new with the SEO work. Okay, in here we have the keyword research. We can put traslado, aeropuerto, Tulum. And you see, all the keywords relate, and you can just copy them here, and that's it. Okay, now let's talk about settings. In here, you can choose to be automatic or manual your updates. Of course, I will leave it automatically. In here, it will depend. You see how this changed to Spanish after I create one manually with Spanish. But that's really wow. Okay, I'm really happy and surprised about all the work Nick and Nayo are been doing with the news version. In here, the ChatGPT 4, now you can add your IP key here, and it's going to be working directly with your account, your ChatGPT account, and all the articles are going to be created by ChatGPT. I will show you also this part later. About the report logo, you can upload your own logo in here. Okay, and this why. Let me show you why. When you are working in here, you see here, you can pause your campaign, clone your campaign, view task, or you can click on the URL or account report. When this happens, you will see a report of the all URLs, all the backlink URLs, or all your accounts. It's really beautiful with your own logo. That's powerful. In here, you can use the proxies. USA, more than 46,000, UK, Europe, Asia, or your own list. In here, you can choose also how fast do you want to be working with your campaign. Here, the catch up, this has been for a long time already. It's for free, included in the price. Then the user, the browser you are using, how many email, verification time, for the indexing service that's included also with MoneyRobot, the load time, and process retry times. I hope this is going to give you a really good idea how powerful is this version and how much you can do without time or with time. Please let me know if you have any question, and we will be here to help you. Bye.